It's undeniable that artificial intelligence is making a huge strike, leading the creation of new tools. In this video, I want to show you the 10 AI tools that I use every day, and which, like me, will help you to improve your productivity and your efficiency. So, get comfortable, get started. Let's start with ChatPDF, a tool that allows you to upload PDF documents and request a summary of a specific part of the text. The most interesting part is that you can turn it into a chatbot and ask questions, which will save you a lot of time, especially when you are dealing with very lengthy documents. The next tool we have ComposeAI. A tool will help you respond to emails much more easily. It will provide response suggestions, or you can even ask it to draft a complete email according to your needs. For example, I have an email where someone asks me if I can promote their software through a video. I can pick the option say no, or locate the ComposeAI icon and request to decline the offer. If you like this response, just click it and it will be added to your message. If there's any part of the email you don't like it, you can select it and ComposeAI will offer other text suggestions. I recommend reviewing before sending, so your emails don't sound too robotic. If you are focused on design and creativity, I recommend you Midjourney. If you've seen any of my shorts, you may already know this tool, because the first time I used it, my mind was blown. But George, I used it Midjourney and it only allowed me to create a few images for free, and then they forced me to subscribe to a paid plan. What can I do it? So I recommend you using BlueWillow. Basically, it's quite similar to Midjourney and lets you create unlimited images for free. However, if you use Midjourney and BlueWillow, you may notice that the generated images don't reach high resolutions. Could you please go away? Okay, I'll leave it. Okay. So, to enhance the resolution of your image, you can use Upscale.media. Just drag your AI generated image or any low resolution image and drag it to where it says upload image and see how sharp it looks now. It's really amazing. This will help you to improve the quality of your image if you need to print or use as a wallpaper. If you want to enhance the quality of your live stream and video recording, I suggest you to use Nvidia Broadcast. It's an application developed by Nvidia, if it's not obvious. It has various features, including camera tracking, audio enhancement, and the most impressive one is the ability to simulate eye contact in real time, making it appear like you are looking directly at the camera all the time. Let me show you how it works. On the right side, I have my original video source, and on the other side, I have my video using Nvidia Broadcast. As you can see, I never look at the camera, but the software adjusts the gaze. This tool will make you to forget about that teleprompter. Let's talk about the headache of any content creator, the video editing. For this, I use Wisecut, which is an AI-powered video editing tool. It can handle tasks like removing silence, generating subtitles in multiple languages, and automatically adjusting music volume when someone is speaking with its auto-DAC feature. The most interesting part is that it allows you to create short vertical content from a long video. This tool is incredibly useful if you don't have so much time for editing videos, or simply you hate the process. If you want to learn more about this tool, you can check my past videos. Who hasn't suffered while listening a low quality audio? But it's even worse when you are the creator of the content. For that case, I use Adobe Podcast. It allows you to enhance the quality of your audios by sharpening voice frequency, improving sound clarity, and eliminating background noise. To use it, simply drag the audio you want to enhance and download the clean and improved version. Another interesting tool that I use is StreamLabs Podcast. This tool will make content creation and publication on social media easy for you. Additionally, its automatic transcription and translation feature will help you reach international audience. However, keep in mind that the automatic dubbing may not match the timing of the original video. But to correct this, we have another tool called ElevenLabs. It's a tool that allows you to generate audio from text. The most remarkable feature of this tool is its voice cloning function. You just need to upload a short audio with your voice narration, and it will generate an audio like this.
I think with this, I wouldn't have to narrate my videos anymore, right?
If you want to know more about this tool, what do you think? I also have another video on how to use it. And to end with the bang, we also have the all-unreliable ChatGPT. What can I say about ChatGPT that you don't already know? It can generate articles, summaries, help you plan your content, find information, and much more. I want to mention the new GPT-4 model is now available within ChatGPT, exclusively for Plus users. As a special bonus for you, I recommend MaxAI.me. Simply install it from a Chrome store, and with the combination Alt+J, a ChatGPT window will open on the page you are on. You can ask it any question related to the page, request information summaries, and much more within switching to the new windows. All of these tools are part of my daily life, and they have helped me to improve my productivity and efficiency to keep creating videos for this channel. I hope many of these tools sound interesting for you and you can incorporate in your daily life. If you know other tools, leave me them in the comments for future compilation in upcoming videos. I really appreciate you can like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you want to share AI information with me, you can join to my Discord group. This is just the beginning of the AI era. So we'll soon see new tools and even more impressive features than the ones we saw in this video. Artificial intelligence keeps evolving, and we do so. See you in the next video.